In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wireframe in Figma 2025, full tutorial. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along even if you're just getting started. First, open the Figma website in your browser. If you're not already there, go to your workspace and open your page or file where you want to build the wireframe. Think of this file as your blank canvas. Once it's open, you're ready to bring in your reference. Next, prepare your image. This is the screenshot, sketch, or mock-up you'll use as a visual guide. Have it ready and place it inside your file so you can see it clearly. The image is simply a reference, not the final design, so keep it visible but not distracting. Position it off to one side or anywhere that feels comfortable to work alongside. Now, click the Frame tool. Create a frame that represents the screen or page you're wireframing and keep it on the side for your layouts. Frames are your containers. Each one can be a separate screen or section of your design. Set the frame size to match the platform you're designing for and keep it consistent as you work. Having this frame next to your reference image makes it easy to compare and trace structure. With the frame ready, click the rectangle tool. Start copying the shapes you see in your image using simple rectangles. Draw each block where a section exists in your reference: headers, content areas, cards, buttons, or images. Don't worry about details, focus on structure. Once a rectangle is placed, adjust the size to match the reference more closely and change the corner radius where needed to reflect rounded edges in the image. This is where you turn the picture into clean, low-fidelity building blocks. Keep going by repeating this process. Use your image purely as a guide and translate what you see into rectangles inside your frame. The goal is to outline layout and hierarchy, not to design visuals. Stay consistent with spacing and alignment so your wireframe feels organized. If something looks off, tweak the width, height, or corner radius values until it matches the reference well enough for planning. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your page, prepare your image, create a frame for your layout, and trace with rectangles, adjusting size and radius as you go. By simply copying what's in your image as a guide, you'll quickly create a clear, usable wireframe you can refine later.